Abdibawar. Did not say his name correctly. Intros. We got AR. Jalen Carter, Derek Hall. You guys see that? Is that a kaboom? Oh, dude, I think that's a kaboom. All right, let's run through it. You guys want to save it, or you guys want to run through it? Brenton Strange. Kaboom. You guys want to run through, or save it? Let me know. I usually just run through. Let's go. All right, that works for me. Good luck, guys. Good luck. Come on. I think it's a vertical. Oh my god, you guys see that? Oh, damn! Wow, this is like a $3,000 card. Wow. Oh my god. Gao Yang. Dude, congrats. Holy cow. I'm shaking. Whoa! Dude. Clip it, guys. That's what make, this is definitely gonna make, that one. Holy cow. Is he even watching? Good Lord. This is a big card. Alright, guys. I'm going.